Good morning, children. Let's continue with the third paragraph of the first chapter, the last lesson. Our protagonist, Franz, somehow reached the school. You know what is the usual scene of the school? See this paragraph? Usually when the school began, there used to be great bustle which could be heard out in the street. The opening and closing of desks and the children repeating the chapters in unison, and in order to be very clear, children, they used to keep their hands onto their ears to understand things better, you know it. And the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. That used to be the usual scene. Who knows it better than you? But that day, everything was just the opposite. Everything, the school was so quiet and still, very solemn atmosphere. What he thought, okay, today I am late. School, so much of pandemonium will be there, chaos and confusion. And I will stealthily enter the class and move to my seat. But that day he could not do that, because everything was so quiet, just like a Sunday morning. Sunday morning means you know what happens in a school. Nobody will be there, and that's why everything will be so quiet. And through the window, he saw all his classmates already in their places, and his teacher, M. Hamel, walking up and down with his terrible ruler, that stick, under his arm. As everything was so quiet, Franz, he had to open the door and go in before everybody. He was so ashamed, he blushed, and moreover, he was so frightened. He expected one or two cane cuts from his teacher. But contrary to his expectations, nothing happened. M. Hamel, his teacher, very calmly told Franz, "Oh, you came, Franz, go to your place quickly. We had been waiting for you. We were about to begin without you." Hope, children, you are ready with your notebooks. I'll once again give you one or two questions from here. First question, you can note it down. What was the usual scene when Franz's school began in the morning? Or you can write even simply, describe the usual scene of the school. Have you written it? Describe the usual scene of the school. And you can find the answer here. There used to be a great bustle which could be heard out in the street, the opening and closing of desks, the lessons repeated in unison very loud, and the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. That is the usual scene. And then comes the second question. What was unusual about the school that day? Note down the second question. What was unusual about the school that day? Okay. Franz jumped over the bench and sat down at his desk. And when he nicely settled down, he started looking around. And he could find so many surprising things in the class. His teacher, M. Hamel, he had put on his beautiful green coat, his frilled cap, all embroidered, that he used to wear only on inspection days and prize distribution days. And the school was so strange and solemn. And one more thing which surprised him the most was, actually, usually what happens, the back benches that used to be empty, And on that day, the village elders were sitting there like school children. And some people, the mayor, the former postmaster, and several other elderly people, they had occupied the last benches. And some of them, they had brought their primer. Primer means the initial ABCD alphabets and all those things, means the book with which you begin with. And he was actually wondering what is happening in this class. 3 things. And once again, here you can note down another question. What were the 3 things which surprised Franz the most that day? You can find out the answer. The first point is, M. Hamel, the teacher, had put on his fine Sunday clothes, his beautiful green coat, frill shirt, and little black silk cap, all embroidered. And the second point it is, the school seemed very quiet and solemn. And the third point, the village people, the village elders were sitting quietly like school children on the back benches that usually remained empty. Hope you have written these questions. Anyway, while Franz was wondering about all these things, his teacher, M. Hamel, got up and announced to the class. What did he announce? You can read from here. My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order had come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, and the new master comes tomorrow. And this is your last French lesson, and I want you to be very attentive. What a thunderclap these words were to me. What was the announcement made by M. Hamel? That this is going to be your last class in French. And from tomorrow onwards, the order had come that in the schools only German will be taught. And now he understood everything. What was written on the bulletin board that day? And this, and once again, one more bad news had come to him from the bulletin board. And these words were just like a thunderclap to him. You know, children, they had actually not even begun to learn French, and before that, everything it is over. When you lose something, then only you will really realize the value of it. Am I right? Okay, children, today we'll stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow.